Alright, so welcome to How2Dyno. This video is going to be more of an interactive video, just to reach out to you guys, the community, and I just want to gather feedback from you guys, and also understand what your needs are. So for those of you guys that have been with me since the very beginning, I really do appreciate your support, but now is the time to tell me what you guys want. So in the comments, please let me know what I should improve upon, maybe what I should add, and feel free to suggest video ideas. So whether it be more custom commands or just different aspects of Dyno. And then for those of you reading the comments, go ahead and vote on what you like the most by liking that user's comment. And I will go through the comments and see what you guys prefer the most. So once again, thank you guys for sticking by with this channel, and I look forward to reviewing your comments. And just keep in mind, I won't be able to do everything. You know, Dyno is limited, so please keep that in mind. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.